Huh? Are we recording? Yes. This is a little trick that I learned up in Fort Kent from Fred. Supposedly, presumably biodegradable Velcro. Thin band. Cut two short strips. And you'll see in a second what you do with these strips. You bundle your lines, not your safety line, down about 3 feet. Oops, and you wrap the Velcro around it. In other words, bundle your shroud lines. This is a very loose, weak Velcro used for supporting plants, you know, as they're growing in their pots, I suppose, or